Hi dear students, from today onwards I will be uploading all the videos for NIOS Home Science Practicals. Our today's practical will be on cooking, which will explain to us its effect, the different methods of cooking and how we can use the different methods of cooking to avoid nutrient loss. In this practical you have been given a table which tells you to choose two cereals, 1 and 2, and 2 vegetables. You can choose any 2 vegetables which are easily available for you, okay, and 2 cereals. Either the 2 cereals can be 2 different types of dal or lentils, let's say, or you can take rice. In my practical I'll be showing you one example for rice and one dal and by 2 different types of vegetables. You will see after the explanation. And then in the table it is mentioned A, B, C, which actually tells you how you have used the different types of method for cooking. In this practical, you have to use moist heat, dry heat, and frying. All the 3 methods have to be used individually for cereal number 1 and cereal number 2. The same 3 methods should be used for the 2 vegetables. Okay? Now, after you have done the cooking or you have already have the prepared sample in front of you, taste it before and after and identify its color, flavor and texture, and then you can record your results in the table given below. Let me show you the different types of food that is available and then how we can use it to write on the observation table. As I told you before, the cereals that I have chosen for the practical are rice and dal. In this case, I am using moong dal. Now, how did I use the different methods for cooking? In here, as you can see the example, this is the moist heat, these 2 plates. The dal was cooked like a normal dal, like your mom or you people can cook at home, and boiled rice. This is moist heat because water has been used in this experiment. Moist heat includes not only boiling but also stewing and simmering. Our second thing that we made out of this was the second method called frying, where I made dal fry. Very simple method where you can use oil, use the different types of spices and onions, few basic vegetables that are used for cooking, fry it out and then add, either you can add your normal dal or you can boil and then add it directly. Here is the example of dal fry. For the rice, very famously known and a very famous Chinese dish called fried rice. Here the rice was first boiled and then put into the oil with different types of spices and vegetables so that it looks like a fried rice. You can also add meats, but the non-vegetarians can also have it here. You will not have any nutrient loss. Third method of cooking was dry heat, where baking takes place or roasting or grilling. In this process, the moong dal were baked and roasted and made crunchy. You can hear it from the sound. Here, the rice were puffed and you get it in the markets also, which is called as puffed rice. So, these are methods, 3 different types of methods that are used for cooking, and here are the examples for these 2 types of cereals. You can choose your own cereals and prepare your own videos or learn for the examination for that. Now let's come to the vegetable part. When we talk about the vegetable, again I have chosen 2 different types of vegetables, that is potatoes and carrot. You can see I have added all the 3 types over here. So now let me show my student whether she can guess or not what different type of method is for each by making her try. Just start. Please identify first this part. Eat any one, either the carrot or the potato.
This is fried potato. Fried potato.
Okay, try this.
And this is boiled.
Okay.
And this is dry.
Try it first and then compare it with this.
No, this is dry and this is fried.
This is fried, right?
Yeah.
Why, what can you feel in this two? How did you differentiate between the two?
Because this fried has oil
Uh-huh.
and different look and color,
Hmm.
and this also drying because there is no oil, there is no water in it.
Yeah, exactly. So this part is called as our moist heat method of cooking. This is called as the dry heat, and this is fried. Very simple because of its oily and little bit of burnt effect or oily effect you can see in here. These three tells you how the different types of cooking can be used. Looking and tasting it, you can fill in the observation about its color before and after. Thank you for watching the video.